See, I don't seem to understand what is going on in this compound. Is this a case of or a case of Abaraka azani onye jija konye no ruenu no mume no. No. The Kachi doesn't have anybody. This is the case of everyone inside. Imagine the Kachi. You don't have what it takes to woo this girl. In a morning, you are just making mad. My girl is coming. My girl will soon be back. I will soon be with my wife. My wife will soon be on the way. Let me get ready for marriage. No fe. This Dikachi, you are high. I think you are high on something. Something very big. Everybody they high for this country. Everybody they high. Just that people high in different level, different species. Some people high in solid. Some in wee. Bush. Why some high in ogogoro, shepe, anombem, manogoro, chinchim, beberi. Different species of highness. That's why you see a very responsible person like this. Onako trash. Just saying trash. Just be saying nonsense. And you see somebody that dresses very well. He just dress very well. And be saying things very impossible. Things like, in the next 2 years, I will build upstairs. Run hotel. I will run this village church. I will build church for my village. Well, you don't have one naira. Hey! Where's my bottle of beer?
Oh, I can see you both are already getting along.
Of course. You see, it's a small world. His father used to be one of my best business friends.
For real?
Yes. Unfortunately, he didn't live long, He's supposed to be an old man,
Yeah.
So, babe, what do I offer you?
Nothing for now, and I'm fine.
No way. This is your first time of coming to my house, so you must take something.
I concur.
Flora.
Daddy?
Get something for him.
Okay.
Yes.
What do you want?
Anything is fine.
Anything?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be right back.
All right.
I can see that you love my daughter.
Luchy.
Papa?
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. I bring fish for you and Auntie.
Wow! Thank you. It's like you know that my wife will make me soup today.
It's not my house, man.
Let me take it inside. Okay. Oh, soup of today will be very... Thank you, I'm coming.
Thank you, Papa.
Such a person, you go get him out. The Madonna, it is understandable to be poor. It is understandable to be illiterate. But poverty plus illiterate.
Mommy said we will be ingrates if we turn him down.
Is that what you should be telling my daughter? How in heaven's name would you want your daughter to get married to that boy?
Flora has the right to marry whoever she wants to marry. All I'm saying is that she deserves to know the truth. The truth about how she was betrothed to Onyekachi.
Eunice, don't tell a story you don't know its beginning.
What are you talking about? I was there. I know everything about the story. She deserves to know the truth. She deserves to know all the story. Even if marriage does not happen, help can happen. Tomorrow, they said, is deeper than what the eyes can see.
Enough, Mom. I am all ears. I want to hear it.
If he's not ready to say it, I am ready to tell you the whole story. Ogenado.
It's all right. The father was a good man. He made me what I am today. Yes. We are not related in any way. But he picked me from nowhere and helped me.
Joy, person when no go school, na fokwan chananyalo. Joy, onye na galo school, na fokwe wananyao. Joy, makano.
There is no one in this house. It's only me. I sent my wife to the market to buy cola. I would have given you cola.
Uncle, no worried now. Now my house be this now. Now my house be this. Uncle, you get waiting happen. I don't think I know if you understand why it happened. Thief. I wonder why you do me the way you do me. Thief pursue me come up from your house. I don't know why you hate me. Oh. He treat me like say I be slave. Say make I got out. I can't want that thief. You know be thief. My papa. You tell me my papa he help thief. Thief he treat me. He hate me. He say make I got out.
Dikachi, don't worry. Chief is just being an ingrate. I know how much your father helped him.
Yes, Dad. You should have taken him and trained him, just as his father did for you.
Oh.
Eunice, what is so? Huh? Why are you pretending here? Were you not there? Were you not there when I went to pick that boy? But the uncle Arinze refused. I even went to the extent of meeting the elders of their family. But they all concluded that I should leave the boy for Arinze. You are shouting, oh, so what do you want me to do? Force them?
Dad, calm down. This matter is a very important one. So till this day, have you done anything for him, at least?
What happened was that...
the simple answer to that question is no.
Look, Eunice, if you interrupt me again, I will leave this place right now. What is it?
Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry.
No, not sorry. Complete the story. Complete the story since you know everything. You know everything that happened. Complete the story.
Oh, Dad. Honestly, it's not fair.
What did you say? It's not fair. Good. Now, you go there, bring the boy here, and I will give you my blessings to marry him. As a matter of fact, that's what I should have done ever since. What is it?
Such a person, you no get him out. The mother na penike. Joy, person when no go school. Na fokwan chananyalo. Joy, onye na galo.
Your uncle Arinze is the most wasteful human being I have ever seen. He wasted all that your father owned. I came back here and told everybody that your father was a ritualist. He said this because he said that because he refused to join your father's secret cult. And that is why the whole money disappeared. But we know the truth. The truth is that he lavished all the money on girls. He takes women to shopping, and that's where he wasted the money. But look at what his life has turned to. Are we here?
Uncle, forget about that man. Me, I know. He tell me the story. Mazi Ukebu, he tell me the story. Mazi Ukebu say that time he carry threesome, foursome, fivesome. He carry them in waka for road.
Oh.
He sell my papa around where they close to Nate road.
Okay.
He waste money. He come back. He sell that land. I know. I hear the whole story. Leave that man. But you see what I want talk. You see this life. Now God, where they have, now they watch everything happen. Everything he do me, God, he pay him back. He day life, you go see now. You go see it God now. But waiting bother me now, Uncle Flora. My mind they tell me say, me, Flora, we go married. Nothing go change it.
You see, at the look of things, that man might not like you to marry her daughter, Flora. Yes. So I will advise you to concentrate on building yourself, making yourself the right person, the correct man you ought to be. And leave the rest for God. God will take care of every situation.
Uncle, I know I leave rest for God. But to Flora, I don't leave am for God. I don't feel leave Flora at all. He hard. You mad for Adu. All I think about Isu. Iwe about Uzu. He says about you. You mad for Adu. All I think about Isu. Iwe about Isu. You. You mad for Adu. All I think about Isu. Even where I go around every time I catch my fish, is you. Every time I catch my fish, is you. I ain't the street, I ain't his heart, I will inside my heart. I order long rooms, against smaller. Ooh. I wonder why. I wonder how. I wonder why. As they are, if they the art, the song sang together. Ooh yeah. No, only your hand they go like as a fridge. Now you now. No matter what, whenever they are.
Wait, what are you singing actually?
The song I composed for you. No matter where they are, days we are, the song we sing together. Ooh yeah. Oh my heart. I'll hold you forever. Beautiful as I am.
Okay.
I won't finish. You get one place.
I know it. It's okay.
You
Thank
like
you
it?
for the song, dude.
But you like it?
I love it.
You see, as he did inside my heart here, I won't carry you. I won't carry you wrong. Where nobody go see us. Where nobody go see us. Running to you. I run to you.
Okay. So when are we running already?
Make we run now.
No.
Make we run where nobody go see us now.
Okay, we will soon.
Flora. You know, saying the love way I get for you, The love I get for you, eh? I feel keep person for you, oh. Stay there now. Stay there. Stay make I keep person now. Make you see.
Okay.
Laura.
Don't kill anybody.
I say make I tell you. I know say I don't tell you before. But make I still make you no forget. Tell your papa. Tell chief you say everybody don't ready you. My uncle said if you don't place in clothes, everybody don't ready. So make you tell and say I go carry my people come pay your marriage. Carry you checking out, carry my wife go. So make everybody ready. Say we they come.
Okay, but not now. Not yet.
Oh yeah, it's okay. Why, Nan? I thought you say you love me. I thought you say you want and stay with me forever and ever and ever and ever. Eh? Why you say make I no come now with my people, Nan?
You know what? I'll be leaving.
Why, Flora? No go now. Why you won't go now? Please, no go now. Please, now, no go.
I'll come back.
Please,
I'll
now.
come back.
Please, now.
I'll come back.
Please, now.
I'll come.
Flora, no go now. Flora, don't leave me now.
Person when no go school na bokwancha nanya o na fokwa imanonye na galo school na bokwe wananya no iwa maka no wela no such a person you no get him out the mother na nai benike o joy person when no go school.
Who is going where? Eh? Who is leaving yours? No go.
Adeline.
Ha! What is your problem?
Adeline, great you won't leave me, oh. Make it not be true, oh. Make it not be true, oh.
See.
Now the beggar, she they say no, saying now tell her saying I won't bring my people. He say no. Which kind of dream be that, Nan?
Dekachi, how many times will I tell you that she is not for you? Eh? You be mumu? How many times will I tell you that?
Nah, no, they talk rubbish. Which kind talk you talk, Nan? Person where me and I he tell me he betrothed me and I betrothed. I tell me say he no be my own.
Oh, I've heard you since you don't.
Waiting happen. It happened because in time never reach. When time reach, nobody go stop o'clock where they move.
Oh,
nobody stop.
I've heard you.
Moving motor.
You are right. See, since you don't want to continue your life, I'm ready to continue. Please, I'm here to ask you, how far the farm walk? Where we go cut? How far?
I no go any farm.
Tomorrow, you don't go.
I no go farm at all. You get where I won't go. If I go finish, I won't go there. Then I go call you.
Aye. Dekachi. Since you
don't forget my fish.
You see? See, let me tell you. From now, since you don't want to continue, me and continue, I'll go to the farm alone. Eh? I'll go to the farm alone. You don't want to come with me. No go. They are the dream. Joseph the dreamer. Anaba.
Make you come next tomorrow. Make you go. Make it not be true. Make it not be true.
For poverty proximity rate yo wala de mana o mebu mo benje tapona efina weloto neno wanana chia na chulo yijio oh ai besi we no go school na pokwancha nanya ona fuma imanonye na galo school na pokwe wananya no maka no wela no such a person you no get him out. na benike.
I want to see Chief.
You want to see Chief?
Mm-hmm.
When I get appointment?
Small appointments, they. Me, too, want to just see him.
Dikachi, make I even ask you, what thing they worry you? Your brain, it be like say virus, you get nakata dey your head. What thing they worry you now? See, anything where they find come this house, it no fit dey possible at all. I don't. If I they look you, they look this building. The only possibility I they see. But you know, just advise. For no anything, now, guy. Advise yourself now.
Why you insult me now? Huh?
I better come they go.
No, why insult me? You know, now you I want to see. I want to see Chief. Why they? Can they see me menu now? You just insult me. Maka why now?
Wait now. So everything why they talk like this, no, it no make sense to you.
But no, tell me that. Which one say bomb? No.
They go.
I don't like that.
May God not just allow me to kill you. You want to go see Chief, and may God not allow me to kill you. They go. As he say nakata, but this your brain, it's nakata there.
So, now make comes. If anyway acknowledge you, he come dey angry because me acknowledge or I talk or I do waiting you know right. And I say I'll come and come and
You mean apologize?
Apologize.
Come on.
Apologize.
Kachi, you don't need to apologize. You see, your father did a lot for me. And I've actually been looking forward to finding a way to pay you. Yes. But the problem I have with you is that you've not come here once to ask for help. Yes.
I'm here now. I'm here.
Now you are reasoning well.
Me, I thought you're angry.
No, I'm not. Now, Kachi, I love you like my own son. And I really want to help you. Okay? So, what I want us to do, let's start with your education, because your English is, with due apology, I mean, it is appalling. Yeah, the way you speak is nauseating, you know. So I want you to start your education. You go to school. I'm going to sponsor it. All right. So by the time you graduate, you read a good course. Doesn't matter. I know. But go to secondary school, university. You have a degree. Then with that certificate, I can look for a good job for you.
Chief, that one is not possible. You know possible. Because me and this time my age now, can't go to school. 30 years. Me I did 30 years you. Can't go to school. Go there. Chief, me I know one do the school.
Now, let me tell you something. When your father died, your uncle took over all his estates. I mean his properties. Alright? Now, because he didn't go to school and he has no business ideas, he sold everything and squandered the money within a few years. Alright? Now that he's poor, he's now claiming that your father was involved in blood rituals, and that was how he made his money.
Thunder fire in there.
You know, that was his insinuation. All right. Now, you as the son of my mentor, so to say, I don't want you to end up like your uncle. So, because education is the bedrock of everything. That is why I want to help you with that. Okay?
Chief, I know education is bedroom, but me
bedrock. I didn't say bedroom. Bedrock.
Just bedrock. Me, I didn't grateful. What you talk.
Okay,
You
that's
talk.
you appreciate what I have said.
Please
Good.
state.
Now you are thinking this.
But Chief, the truth, I no one go school. I no one go school. I want to do a different thing. I know start primary school. For this my age, when they go for school, they read the ABCD. 1, 2, 3.
Kachi, look. You don't need to be clownish in trying to request something from me. Go straight to the point. I have given you enough reasons for you to go to school.
But if me, I no one go school now. Now don't pass to go back to thief. You know easy. You know easy.
Kachi, you think life is easy? Eh? Now let me ask you. You've been with your uncle all this while. Has it been easy with you? Even me as a billionaire, you think it's easy with me? Life is not easy. You must go through some difficult times in order for you to make it. Okay?
Chief, only school you want make I go. You don't want make I do business.
Yes, you will do business. But education can only facilitate that. So you will not make wrong decisions like your uncle.
You mean say because I'm telling you, I no one go school, but he didn't.
So what exactly do you want? Tell me.
Me, I want talk since he dey like this now. Say na must be saying they go hold me for neck, carry me enter school. Okay. Make we leave school. Chief, you know since you travel, me I find a number. I tell you.
You told me. Yes.
Same. Now make I tell you. Same. Your Peking. That your Flora. Flora. So me make you remember. Say na me go marry Flora. He told my papa. Say me I marry Flora. So I want to.
Shut up! What did you just say? I said. You want to marry my daughter? Do you know how much I have invested in that girl? Do you think she's in your class? No, is that what you think? Have you looked at her? Sit down there, idiot! Have you properly looked at her? You came here like this? You want to marry my daughter? With the... Now pick that thing, pick that thing. Pick it! What do you call this? What's the name?
Shoe.
20. Okay, now dust it. Get up. Get up! If I ever see you near this house again, talking nonsense about my daughter, I will kill you. Now get out.
But if you promise my father.
I said get out, idiot! Get out of nonsense and leave here. You are still waiting. You want me to give you again? Idiot! Non-entity. You want to marry my daughter? Come here with your fisherman.
Person wey no go school na pokwa chananya. Ina onye na galo school na pokwe wananya no. Maka no nwela no such a person, you no get him out. The mother na even girl. Joy, person when no go school. Na for one chama Joy, onye na galo school. Na for kwe wananya. Joy, makana well no. Such a person, you no get him out. The mother na even it is understandable to be poor. It is understandable to be illiterate. But poverty proximity rate yo. While a day, mana omebu moment.
What happened? What happened? What happened to your face? Who did this to you?
I person when no go school and I pop one chamanya. Imanonye na galo school.
Una don't conclude your order. You don't spaghetti. Una don't conclude. Fool. They say make God no allow me to kill you. This one. I know. Next time when you just use shelter kill you like mosquito here. They enter person house anyhow.
Mom, are you sure Dad? Mom, I think Dad was harsh on him.
No, your dad does not have any right to
get
say
him out. The mother na even
What happened to that boy?
Yes. What happened, Dad?
You won't believe it. That idiot, the riffraff, came here. And I told him I wanted to help him. Do you know he refused my help?
Who would make him to refuse your offer?
Ask me. Instead of him to tell me something concrete that I should do for him, he said I should package my daughter like Suya and give to him as a wife.
But Daddy, were you harsh on him? Because he looks it.
So, what were you expecting from me? Huh? I have to slap him?
What? Daddy!
Oh God. What is daddy? What were you expecting? For me to clap for him? Serve him cola? Or package you like a wife and give to him? Come on.
Shouldn't have. That boy already knows about it.
Hey, don't go that. Give me that sentimental rubbish. What are you talking about?
You are so judgmental. So unbelievable.
So you're supporting him, right?
Daddy, that was so wrong of you. To be honest with you, you didn't try.
Really?
Why would you slap him?
Every time you
just slap a young man. He's a grown-up adult.
Can you imagine that? You're supporting that riffraff. It's alright. We shall see.
Madam, take an easy now. Small madam, now waiting.
That guy that just left now, do you know his house?
Which guy?
The fair guy that just left right now, do you know his house?
That Uyibo?
Yes, please.
Now my friend. Now my best man be that guy, my man. I no get another friend like that guy.
Okay. So where is his place?
His house?
Yeah.
Do you want to go to his house? See, make I tell you, his house no far. If I pick stone here now, boom! Now for their zinc, but one stone land on top of their zinc, a big problem with that too. A problem done there.
What is the problem?
See that boy, I see there. He no get money and he no get where to borrow. Once their zinc begin leak, nobody, he no get help from anywhere. So that be the problem.
What is your problem? I asked a simple question, you're talking trash. What does this say?
Okay, you want to go there now? Okay, you go start from removing this shoe. This shoe no fit help you. No get as you go fit wear this shoe reach there.
You're a mistake.
No be mistake I dey make.
Where does he stay?
I start trekking as you want where the issue. You go suffer. Now you go suffer am o. Waka from here now you go see one small church. Get as the roof be like mosque. Left. Before you go down, you go see one small man go tree. Enter there. And there they stay. Then remove this shoe, you go get injury. Oh.
Person wey no go school na pokwancha n'anya o. Ọ na-afọkwa ịma na onye na-agalo school na pokwa ịwa n'anya n'oyi. Maka na onwela nọ, such a person you no get him out. Ndị mmadụ na-anaghị ibe n'ike o. Joy, person wey no go school na pokwancha n'anya no. Joy, onye na-agalo school na pokwa ịwa n'anya o. Joy, maka na onwela nọ, such a person you no get him out. Ndị mmadụ.
Hi. Now, please forgive me for the sake of this child.
Mom, who is this man?
He's your grandpa.
Then why are you begging him? Grandpa, are you not happy to see us?
My son, I'm happy. You are welcome.
But if you're happy, you should have hugged us and carry me up. You have not hugged me.
I am very sorry about what my father did to you. Okay?
No problem. You no need tell me sorry. I no blame you. I blame me. Uncle, you tell me a story. I believe story. He give me false hope. I can't believe in.
Dikachi, I care about you. I do.
So care.
There's something you need to understand. We are on different sides of the divide.
You need tell me. I know. Say me and you, we know they the same class. Your papa and your mama, you get money. Me, I no get anything. Your papa is there alive. Me, I be orphan. I know.
Dikachi, we can be friends. There are more important things to focus on in life than just talking about marriage.
What again? I be small pikin. Me, I dey 30-something years old. What again? I dey wait for. Now, my grandmama say anything you want to do, start early. Now I want start in life early. My only thing na make you love me.
Listen, truth be told, you cannot take care of me as your wife right now. I don't intend to be disrespectful, but you are more like a peasant. I don't want to be rude to your stratum, but don't bend me to it.
Peace. Strat. What you mean?
Let's just be friends. You can't get married to me. You can possibly choose any other girl, to marry, but I promise I would always be there to support you in whichever way that I can. Okay?
My heart they do boom.
Joy, person when no go school, na fokwa njana nyano. Joy, onye na galo school, na fokwe wananya. Joy, makano well no, such a person you no get him out. I, the madonna naive nikeno. It is understand.
Where's my daughter? If I break, don't please me.
Calm down.
I said, don't please me. Now, you better tell me where my daughter is before I strangle you with my bare hands.
Chairman, I never see your daughter today. How mature person like me go dey lie? I tell you, sir, I never use this eye. See what resemble your daughter today. I swear with my life, I never see your daughter today.
Hey, you don't need to swear with something as valuable as your life.
Madam, which life dey valuable? Now you want tell me life where dey valuable? I swear with my life, I never see this girl pass here today.
You, this idiot. I don't care whether your life is useful, it is useless, I don't care. If you don't tell me where my daughter is right now, I'm going to kill you.
Chairman, wetin be my work here? Wetin be my work? My work is it not to just open gate and close gate? Which one now concern me for who they go anywhere and where the person they go? Am I supposed to be asking people where are you going to and where are you not going to?
Shut up your dirty mouth! You incompetent mogul, you fool! So you don't know that as a security man, you have to know whoever comes in and goes out of this compound is your responsibility. Don't you know that you have to account for the movement of everybody in this compound?
He doesn't know his job.
Are you that foolish?
Are you serious?
No, I'm not serious, I'm laughing. It's yours.
So I suppose to know where everybody they go for here.
Of course.
You for tell me since now. Ha! So my work big reach like that. Now you they give me, okay, you go increase money.
Will you shut up, increase what? You fool! Idiot! Increase what? Can you see how stupid you are?
Honey, see she's coming.
Can you? And you? How dare you leave this compound without letting us know your whereabouts? How dare you?
I am not in for any question and answer section. Jesus.
Are you mad? How dare you talk to me with such disdain? Did you see that look?
She is not normal. Something is wrong.
Hey, don't see that kind of look in her eyes before.
Honey, please, let's talk about that. We will go and meet her and find out what.
No, you better to talk to her. Talk to her!
Hey!
And you get out of here. Now! Move.
Come. I thought you said you did not. No problem.
Atala m ahụhụ. Itala ahụ. Emere ihe efu. Which kind of ahụ you taa? Ahụ nke Job or nke Jabez? Which one?
You know say everything no be joke o. No be joke o. I dey tell you something, who you dey laugh? He dey mad.
Okay, calm down now. No verse. Don't be angry.
I don't like this thing where you dey do o.
Don't be angry now. So what happened again? What happened? Yeah?
They tell you say the English you speak, are they here? They think waiting but I know say two there.
Okay,
because I know say that now I use them two, 1, 2. Remember them.
1, 2.
You can't say in the other one.
So 1, 2 them. I was testing 1.
I know the joke, wo.
Okay, calm down.
That in everything where she tell me, I know say what he mean be say she no love me.
Right.
I don't know why love see me run. I pursue love run. I come this way, love run. Why this word he hate me? No, tell me why this word he hate me. Eh?
My brother, let's just look it like this. You know you are not being nice to yourself. You are not being nice to yourself. How do you expect that girl from that rich family to come? What are you working? You are doing many jobs. What are you doing? What do you want her to do? So to come and be following you about? It's not fair now. It's not possible, my guy. It's not possible.
So this thing where you talk now, make I do waiting now. Now me create myself. Make I jump inside Omambala River.
What thing concern this talk concern Omambala River? River. Walk again. See, let me tell you, you know that in this family there are girls, fine girls in this community. That when you tell them I want to marry you, they will go to church and give testimonies. My man, make your way out. Plan your life so that your dream woman will come. I'm telling you, make your way out. Push, fight for your way.
Papa and mama. If to say that they are alive now, this thing in where they happen, you know go happen now. You know go happen. I go just this place in Mazi Pikini, England. I go just day England, just stay there.
You don't go there Morocco. You go there England. Just look at your brain, your small brain. Sounding childish. In my party alive. Okay, let's assume you saw the girl and she was now down Gurugu. She wasn't fine. What would you have done? I don't know how you reason. I'm telling you. Because you were betrothed to her. If you say John, what would you have done?
But I know marry that because he fine you. I know even look he fine or he no fine. The problem I see her for my dream every time while I sleep. And me I know for the dream saying she go be better wife. Even night yesterday she gave me grape for dream.
You say? She give you what?
Grape now.
She give you grape.
Grape, she give me grape for dream.
Hi.
I dey sleep, she wake me, you go chop grape. I say yes, he carry grape, give me from her. I tell her thank you.
So your small mind did not tell you that she looked at all kinds of fruit or grape corner you. Why don't you go to man crazy? Grape that used to sour.
Grape well ripe, now it give me.
Okay, get chalacha. Why she not give you Odala and Namola? She gave you grape. In an area or man crazy, lemon. So she didn't see apple, orange in kitty. My brother, leave that girl. Focus, be a man. When you make money now, she will come. Girls will start coming. You will not select. See me, she give you grape. Hi, no one for now. okay. Open the gate.
Sir, where are you going to?
You're asking me a question.
You have to declare your mission. Where are you? From where to where? Before I will know how to what to do for you.
You are drunk again, right? Huh?
Sir, I am not ready. If you look at me, you know that I'm not ready for your question and answer. I'm taking my work serious now. Maybe you said I'm not taking my work serious. Let me do this work the way it should be. Where are you going to talk this thing? Don't waste your time, your own time by yourself. Where are you going to? Let me open.
Just quiet! How many times have I warned you not to drink while working?
Oga, who is talking about drink? Am I smelling ogogoro or what?
Are you,
Oga!
Are you mad? You are talking to me like that? Now let me warn you. If you ever drink again while working for me, I'll fire you. Idiot!
Chairman, we know they talk about drinking here. We know they talk about drinking here. Even if you keep me here, you go tell me where they go. No, which kind of intimidation be this one now?
Oh.
Which kind of intimidation this one now? Oh, no, you tell me
You want to fight me?
You say I don't know my work.
No.
Now let me do my work. You don't want me to do my work.
Okay.
What is this? Let me
want to fight me?
Oh no, honey, please.
If you give me here, you don't go. You go give me here. You go give me for this house. Which kind of be this now? You go. Madam, where are you going to? Where una they go? Where una they go? Simple question. This question supposed to go score there. This small question supposed to go score there here. Where una they go?
You still want more? You want more? Oh yeah, come and take.
Honey, please. Chairman.
Exactly the way I see am for my dream. Love, it be like angel fly away from my eye, fly away into mine. It just be like the lighting candle of love inside my heart inside heart. I never feel like something like this before. Angel of love. Angel of love. Feponu, go tell it if Kenneth say I love you. I love our daughter. I wish they go understand, say, my future day bright. I wish say they know, say, e no go dey like this forever. At all, e no go dey like this forever. Angel, make you fly, go tell am now. Hi. Oh, some.
He is handsome, looks charming, but he's way too poor for my liking. How long will it take for that destiny of his to turn bright? No education, no good job. Gosh! This is not the kind of man I would like to spend the rest of my life with. After being with classy and great guys, both home and abroad. It would be an error if I end up with one peasant just because I was betrothed to him while I was still a baby. This is uncalled for. He's too helpless to be my guy.
I think I need help now. I go just forget about her. Make I just no reason her matter for now. It's time make her focus. Make her focus for my fish. From there I go make money and come get money. Be big man where I won't be. But the thing I wish love go help me keep am well for a house, lock am, make anything no happen to her. I pray for speed. If I start wetin I wan start, before you know am, make I just get money, make I close eye open get money, as e dey be for film. Make future help me now. At least for once, make I get wetin be say I want. That thing wey be say my mind, my body want, make e give am to me now. This life, I don't understand if I follow people come for this life. I accompanied people come. Almost everything for this life for nothing. Please, life, no deprive me this one, please.
Are you cooking something in the kitchen at this time of the night?
Cooking? What smell are you perceiving?
It smells like
maybe it's your nose, my friend.
my nose?
Maybe you're just smelling. I don't know what you're perceiving.
No. Lauren, where are you coming from?
I was sitting on the back here.
At this time of the night? And you're walking away? Did you see that? This girl does not know me. Hey, I'm going to give her an indelible mark in this house before she gets married.
Honey, please. Please leave her. You know that she just came back.
And so?
Don't worry, I'm going to talk to her. It will never continue again.
You better do. You better do. Okay.
When I noticed I was pregnant, I knew I was going to have it hot with you. So I didn't bother coming back here.
No. You wouldn't just have it hot with me. You would have been in the grave by now. I would have personally killed you. I sent you to school. Not to go and get me a child, but to get a good certificate so that you'll be useful to this family.
Nah, it's okay. Allow her finish her story.
Well, let her finish.
Continue.
After I gave birth, I started a small business. That was how I was able to see myself through school. And since I finished school, I've not been able to get a job.
But how did you manage to bring up that boy? He's so intelligent and smart.
Kene, the woman I was doing business with helped me in bringing him up.
Oh, God bless her.
That one is something else. Just thank him. He made me forgive you earlier than I would.
Me, I don't want my cousin. I don't want problem. I just want, if I told you, you told my uncle, may they leave my property. Now that is the one thing me I get for arrive for my papa. May they leave it. May they leave it for me now.
It shows you are wise. I mean,